So the Department of Transport manages all the different public transport assets, including trains, trams and buses, as well as the supporting infrastructure. So the platforms, the bus stops, walkways to and from, the cycle paths that you might use to get to the station. All of those assets are areas of interest for us, and we'd be interested to understand what innovations the startups might bring into how they can improve the safety of those assets and the customer experience. The safety of women and girls is a really important issue for the Department of Transport. We're really keen to explore through this process how we might use different innovations to improve that and to improve the mobility of women and girls as they move through the transport system, so that they can make different choices about how they might choose to travel. We know that there's a number of different moments through their journey where they experience issues, whether that's trying to understand whether they can get to and from the station safely, when they get onto a station platform, how safe do they feel on that, can they get on board the train easily and off the train easily, is there enough personal space for them on the train when they're there, and then do they feel safe getting out of the train and navigating their way home or to wherever their destination is at the end of their journey as well. So from the very start to end of their journey, there can be different touch points with the different transport assets that can have an impact on their safety experience. And we are open to innovations that will improve other transport users as well. Whilst we have a particular focus on the safety of women and girls, if other innovations come out of this process, we're really keen to hear what they might be as too. We're really looking to see whether the startups can find some way to create a measurable improvement in the customer journey and their experience. We want to get more out of this than just better data. We're really looking to see how the startup can help in the asset management process, whether that's through the asset design, operation or maintenance, and to really try and see what new innovations they might be able to bring to those processes. For example, we know with different asset designs, lighting can be a big issue for people. There's quite a bit of research that's been done on different types of lighting, and certain types of lighting, whilst they might be there to try and improve someone's perception of safety, can actually create dark spots, can have spotlighting effects, or can actually just the lighting level can actually make someone feel less safe than what they might otherwise have felt. A great outcome from this program would be really to see some measurable improvements in the safety and wellbeing of transport users. While we have a particular interest in women and girls and their safety, we're really hoping to see improvements for all transport user groups, and we think there's a lot of opportunity that startups can bring to this process.